Yes, YouTube, welcome back to Sneaky Peeks. I do love the modern looking trainers. I do also love the comfortability of the modern looking trainers. So the tech that are in them nowadays, the Vapor Max from Nike, Epic React also from Nike, the Ultra Boost for Adidas, 4D from Adidas. You know, there's quite a few brands and they have their own thing going on. And these trainers are very, very, very comfortable. But modern look is all well and good. However, sometimes you just think, I need a simple, classic retro trainer. Bring in the Adidas Continental 80s. These trainers are typical of the 80s and the way they're styled, and is almost an exact replica of the Continental 80s that came out in the late 80s. These were originally built for the tennis gang, and I definitely can see these trainers as a jeans trainers because of the simplistic look of it and the classic style. It definitely is suitable for the casual wear and the jean casual wear in particular. So whether it's straight, skinny or tailored jeans, this has got you covered. I would even say certain colorways are so clean that it definitely can move into the smart casual realm. Now, in the 80s, the tennis style was very similar. So Adidas, Reebok, Puma, High Tech, and so on all had similar looking trainers. This reminds me of the Reebok workouts and also the Reebok Lifestyle Exo Fit lows. They also remind me of the Puma Romas as well. This particular colorway retailed for £79.95. And I bought this from the Adidas store in Westwood. This colorway is called the Sesame Orange Raw White. Not sure where the raw white is on this trainer, but it is what it is. The upper is made up of ballistic nylon. This sounds quite serious. However, this is meant to be a weatherproof trainer. So Adidas designed this for ruggedness. You can find leather overlays on the toe box and around the eyelet. Tongue has a reflective strip. Adidas branding can be found on the tongue and on the outer side of the trainer. The midsole is EVA, so it's not quite got that cushioning that we're all used to now. However, it's quite flat, but it will do. It's not too bad. Outsole is all black with that retro tread, and also has the Adidas logo towards the mid part of the outsole. I would say you would buy this trainer true to size. It fits me comfortably. I have no issues. The material is quite thin on the upper, so there is quite a lot of space. You don't have that snug feeling. The Continental is such a classic trainer. There are colorways galore for boys and girls. This is an all-rounder and should be part of anyone's collection, sneakerhead or not. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to finish the video there. If you appreciate what you've just watched, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until the next video, take care.